Today we're traveling to Asia to visit Hanoi, the vibrant capital city of Vietnam. We will show you some of the top things to see and do during a 24-hour visit. Stay tuned towards the very end of the video if you want to see some of Hanoi's awesome nightlife. Hanoi is an amazing city to visit, known for its Southeast Asian, Chinese, and French influence. A great place to start is the neighborhood known as the Old Quarter. Stop by Cafe Dinh in the morning for an egg coffee made with whipped egg yolk and condensed milk. We were so impressed by both the flavor and the beautiful artistic presentation. Across the street from Cafe Dinh is the beautiful Hoan Kiem Lake and the Ngoc Son Temple. The temple was constructed in the 19th century in honor of Confucius. It is located on a small island on the lake and is accessible by bridge. The temple is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, but we recommend going early in the morning for a more tranquil experience. There is a small entry fee of 30,000 Vietnamese dong, which is about a little over $1 US, and free for children under 15. Make sure to cover your knees and shoulders though, as this is a place of worship. We encourage you to take your time to walk around and really enjoy the natural beauty of the grounds and peace and tranquility of this temple. Now we're going to explore more of Hanoi's Old Quarter, which is filled with wonderful restaurants, cafes, and shops. The Old Quarter is very walkable and popular with tourists. Also, there is no need to be fluent in Vietnamese to come here. Many locals do speak English, especially those in tourism and hospitality. But it is good to know a few phrases like Xin Chào, which means hello, and come on, which means thank you. These are both so appreciated and do go a long way. The first thing you should try to eat in Hanoi is a Banh Mi sandwich. We stopped at Banh Mi Pate in the Old Quarter, which is very highly rated on Google. Banh Mi is a sandwich made very popular in Vietnam, made from a French baguette and different fillings like pate, ham, or pork. One banh mi here cost 20,000 Vietnamese dong, which is only 79 US cents. It was so delicious, and we really got an authentic experience with cool street vibes. Now we're going to explore some more of the Old Quarter. First on our list is the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. We're going to get a cab and meet you guys there in a few minutes. On the way, we pass by the famous Train Street in Hanoi, which is very narrow and lined with homes, shops, and cafes. There's actually an active train track down the middle. Several times a day, tourists will gather here to get a glimpse of the train. As you may have noticed, Hanoi has a lot of traffic. The best way to get around here is by scooter or motorbike. The Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum serves as the final resting place of the revolutionary leader, President Ho Chi Minh, located in Ba Dinh Square. The grounds are open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily, and it is free to enter. Just remember to cover your knees and shoulders when entering. Taking a ride by scooter in Hanoi is a must. Not only is it the most efficient way to get around, but it is also a lot of fun. Most of Asia uses the Grab app, where you can hail a car or motorcycle from your phone. From our experience, the drivers here are extremely friendly and super safe. Next on our list is the Imperial Citadel of Thang, located in the center of Hanoi. It was built in the year 1010 AD and remains in impeccable shape and is protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can visit from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily with an entry fee of 30,000 Vietnamese dong and free for children. We would recommend spending about 1 hour or so here to explore the beautiful grounds by foot. Next up is the Temple of Literature, which is located just south of the Imperial Citadel. Built in the year 1070, it is dedicated to Confucius and was home to the Imperial Academy, Vietnam's first national university. To this day, students still come here to pray for good luck on their exams. Entry fee is also 30,000 Vietnamese dong, or $1.18 US. It is quite peaceful to walk around here and appreciate the beautiful ancient architecture and the grounds. Now we're driving back to our hotel, but first we'll stop at the St. Joseph's Cathedral. It is an iconic Roman Catholic church in the Old Quarter, built in 1886 during the period of French colonization of Hanoi. This left a lasting impact on the city to this day. Entrance is only permitted during Mass, but it is still very beautiful to see from outside. Now we'll show you the hotel that we stayed at. If this is your first time coming to Hanoi, we recommend staying in the Old Quarter as it will be close to most of the attractions. The JM Marvel Hotel and Spa is a perfect choice. It is a beautiful luxury 4-star hotel with amazing decor and excellent service. They even greeted us with a welcome tea and towel service on arrival. We found the hotel staff very friendly and helpful with lots of local recommendations. They even decorated our room special for us for our anniversary, which was a nice touch. Overall, the room was exceptional with a comfortable bed and a very nice bathroom and shower. They have a beautiful dining area called Viet Restaurant, where we had breakfast the next morning. They also have an awesome rooftop called Cloud Sky Bar. We found it to be super classy with plenty of seating and a nice view of Hanoi from above. Their cocktails and appetizers were super tasty and very well made. This is definitely worth visiting before going out to explore the nightlife in Hanoi. Now we're going to explore some of Hanoi at nighttime. In a lot of Asian cities, night is when the streets become the most vibrant. You can easily get around the Old Quarter of Hanoi by foot or motorbike, and you will see many shops and restaurants along the way. Hanoi is a very safe city for tourists to visit with a very low crime rate, but we recommend you still be vigilant as you would in any new city and wear a crossbody bag to avoid pickpockets, especially in busier areas. Sachiko is a Japanese restaurant located in a busy area of the Old Quarter with an awesome balcony overlooking the street below. It's a great spot to sit for a while and enjoy an ice-cold beer. Nearby, there was also a large night market filled with all kinds of souvenirs at reasonable prices, all of which you can negotiate. Just be sure to bring local cash with you. We got some paintings, lanterns, figurines, and other souvenirs. Hanoi is also a great place to get t-shirts and scarves, as they do make a lot of clothing here in Vietnam. Another great activity is to take a walk along Hoan Kiem Lake at night. It is really serene to walk by this beautiful lake at any hour, but it is nice to see it lit up in the evening. Nearby the lake, we highly recommend this local restaurant, Corner Food. The prices are incredibly inexpensive, but the food is packed with flavor. We ordered the beef pho, which was so fresh, full-bodied, and delicious. They serve it with a side of chilies and lime salt. Definitely a must-try when in Hanoi. Here we are passing by St. Joseph's Cathedral again, this time at night. It seemed to be a very popular place for locals to hang out. You will see many street food vendors cooking in woks in the Old Quarter. It's fun to sit street side, eat some fresh food, and take in the nightlife. A major attraction at night in the Old Quarter of Hanoi is Hien Beer Street. Here people gather to sit at small tables, lining the streets to have a beer and order some food. Be adventurous and order something different. The menus may surprise you with items like pigeon, which sounds crazy, but it was really good and similar to a small fried chicken. Around Hien Beer Street, they also have lots of clubs and bars in the area, making it a thriving and fun nightlife scene with people visiting from all over the world. That's a wrap on our 24 hours in Hanoi. Hopefully you found this helpful in planning your own trip to this awesome city. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our travels throughout more of Southeast Asia.